spent the last couple days trying to think of a way to create something to cover your face using the least amount of materials possible so that you can figure out a way to do this for yourself. Start with a heavyweight cotton t-shirt. If you have it, the heavier the better. You're going to cut a 1-inch strip across the whole bottom. And after you get done cutting that strip, you're going to pull it tight so that it curls around itself. You're going to take your wire, about 6 inches, bend it in half, cut it with your pliers, find the middle of your cotton yarn, if you will, and thread it through. Just poke it through on one side and then poke it through a couple inches further down. Then you're going to want to bend the ends of your wire so that they don't poke you anywhere on the face. I tied the ends of my yarn, put that aside. Next, you're going to want to cut a 10-inch wide by 12-inch piece of fabric. Now you can cut your cutting time in half by just cutting it from the side, tool ply like I did there. So it's 10 inches wide and 6 inches deep. So you'll put your wire and your cotton yarn right dead center on the fold side. And now I'm going to accordion in each side and put 2 inches of wire bent around it. And I'm going to cinch that in real tight without breaking the wire so the friction keeps it in place. Now I'm going to do the other side. Twist that up really tight. Make sure that the pokey ends are facing out on the mask. You do not want that hitting you in the face. And then you're pretty much done. Tie that real tight around the back of your head, and it has a really good fit on it. All right, I hope this helps. Thank you.